Welcome to the video on replacing the Endeavour 4 GT controller. First, remove the 12 deck screws with a 3mm hex wrench. Be sure to cut off power first. Disconnect all lines connected to the controller. Cut the cable tie, taking care not to damage the wiring. The other side is the same. Use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to remove the controller screws. Take out the controller. Install the new controller. Secure the screws. Connect the antenna and secure it with tape. Plug in the Hall sensor connector and other wiring. Connect the phase wires according to matching colors. Be extremely careful not to connect them incorrectly. Reconnect power and mount back the deck. Long press the power button on the board, together with the power and function buttons on the remote, to enter pairing mode. Select the settings as shown in the video. That covers the entire process of replacing the Endeavour 4 GT controller. Thanks for watching.